Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to do Superscript here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Superscript in Canva is a straightforward process that can be helpful in various design scenarios. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the design that you wanted to work with. In my case, I'm going to be creating a new thumbnail from scratch. Click on the create a design, and what will happen is I would be forwarded here. I'm going to go for the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload a thumbnail along with it. Now, I'm working with a certain file, and what I'm going to do is upload this for now. I'm going to create a superscript here in Canva. But let me tell you that Canva does not have a built-in support for superscripting, or they don't have the native feature or tool to do that. But instead, we can do it manually. How? All I have to do is, on the blank canvas, click on the text and add a text here. For example, I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to choose a different color so we can see it. Okay. Now, for example, I'm going to be creating a superscript, say letter D for Jeep. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. For now, I'm going to copy this again here. And then I'm going to make it smaller by changing the, say, the font size to a 50. See that? All right. I'm going to copy that. And of course, from here, you can change all of these. What you're going to do, since they are two separate elements, I want you to press shift. Press shift while after clicking one element and shift again to another so they can be combined. Right click, click on group, or click this option that says group. Right? What will happen is they will now be a single entity. All right. And you can move them along. After that, I want you to press Ctrl+C if you're using Windows PC and Ctrl+V to paste. And here, we can basically edit the text. For example, this is going to be laugh. Right? And this is going to be, let's say, L. Or if you want to. Now that we have both of them, all right? You can create another one from scratch. So these are some of the ways for you to be able to do superscripting. Another option is you might want to go to this specific website called Lingo Jam. All I have to do is put your normal text here. For example, that's going to be D. And you can basically go for the something like access superscript. Basically, superscripting is ideally helpful if you're gonna indicate powers or exponents. For example, EMC squared, 10 of third power. Superscripts can represent ions or isotopes in chemical equations, all right, when displaying units of measure like square meters, M2, all right. So these are some of your options. Or you can also go here in this website. It's called Unicode Text Converter. Similarly to LingoJam, all I have to do is put in your text. And you might want to look for the something that resembles the superscription, right? So you have all of these information. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.